Look at that go. Look at that baby go. Oh. Hello, how you doing? So on the menu today, you can see here, the king of curry. I'm really loving this one. This has turned out beautifully, beautifully, beautifully supreme. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so look, in here I've got 1 kg or 2.2 pound of drumsticks. I've just pulled the skin back and off there. What we're going to do is we're going to add some salt. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of chili powder and turmeric, some oil, just to sort of bring it together. And you can see I've got a glove on because I'm going to go in, I'm going to mix this around, and then we're straight to the cooker. Okay, so I've got my skillet there, nothing's inside. We're going to just tip in the chicken. There's enough oil there for us to be frying it with. Medium heat, 6 to 7 minutes. I'm going to be turning it quite a lot. Okay, off goes the heat. We're going to take these out, set them aside. Now don't wash this pan, we're going to come straight back in here. That chicken looks absolutely beautiful, loving that. Yeah, we've got some lovely flavors going on in there, so let's not waste that. That's going to add to our flavor. Okay, back on goes the heat. I've just added about 3 tablespoons more oil there. And then we're going to drop in 1 star anise, 2, 3 dried red chili, 1, 2, 3, 4 green cardamom pods. That's a nice little combo of spices there, I like that. Then we're going to go 1 cup onion. Above medium heat, about 4 minutes. Wonderful stuff. Next up, ginger garlic paste. I've got 2 tablespoons here. Ginger garlic paste being a mixture of the 2. Fresh chilies, up to you how much or how little you put in. Salt. Then some spices, let's take a look. I've got a teaspoon each of black pepper, turmeric, cumin and chili powder. In that goes. The black pepper in this really comes out, it's beautiful. Next up, 2 cups of tomatoes. Now what I've done with these tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, is I stuck them in my food processor. If you don't have a processor or can't be bothered, just chop some tomatoes really nice and small. Above medium heat, about 5 minutes. Let's cook these tomatoes down. You need to be stirring quite a lot now. Super fab, super fab. Okay, let's grab our chicken, get that back in there. And we're going to go for another 4 minutes, stirring again fairly often. Next up, 1 cup of water. In that goes. Continue cooking on this above medium heat, fairly lively, for another 4 minutes. Again, keep it moving quite a lot. This is absolutely divine. Right, we're nearly there. 1 cup coconut milk. In that goes. Little mix. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get the heat down, not to a simmer but above a simmer. 5 minutes. Wow. Okay, off goes the heat. Super happy. I'm super happy. Right, a little bit of cilantro, coriander. whatever you call that. Little mix. Check it for salt, it's going to be fabulous for me. I'm super happy with that. Let's serve that up. All right, there you go. I just topped that off with a little bit more cilantro. That, I've got to say, even for my standard, I think that's pretty good. I'm really loving that one. Beautiful, beautiful chicken curry. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.